Hello, our art friend. Today in Kitty Can Draw, we are going to learn how to draw Mega Minion Jerry. So let's start drawing. First, draw half a circle for the top of the head and make your line irregular. Complete the circle, making the lower part more smooth than the upper one. In the upper half of the circle, draw 3 lines on top of each other on each side. Then draw 2 half squares on top of each other at the end of each 3 lines. Then in the middle, draw a circle. And another smaller one inside to finish the goggles. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Inside, draw a horizontal line in the middle for the eyelid. Then draw a half circle under it for the pupil. Then color. Under the eye, draw a long curved line to start drawing the mouth. Then draw a curve coming down from each side and connect them with another long curved line. Draw the teeth inside the mouth by drawing rectangular shapes connected to each other, drawing the upper set of teeth and the lower one. Draw the straps of the overall under the mouth, one from each side. Draw a small circle at the end of each one for the buttons. Connect the straps together at the top with a horizontal line. Draw a curved line connecting each strap to the side of the body. Connect the 2 curved lines at the bottom to finish the overall. Draw a pocket in the middle. Then write letter M inside, another letter M under it, and connect them together. Draw a circle around the letter M. Draw two curved lines coming out from the side of the body for the arms. Connect them together at the bottom with a horizontal line. Draw a line coming down from each side. Draw the thumb, then connect it to the other line to finish the glove. Repeat the same steps on the other side to make the other arm. Draw a small line coming down from the bottom of the body, then connect it with a curve to the bottom. Then draw two lines coming down for the boot, the left line being shorter than the right line. Then draw a letter C and extend it to connect to the right line. Draw the sole of the boot. Repeat the same steps on the other side for the other boot, making all the steps be a mirror image of the left leg. Start drawing irregular shapes connected to each other all over the body of the minion to achieve the rock-like texture. Ta-da! Now we can draw Mega Minion Jerry! Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve the rock-like texture, grab a brown color and go over the irregular shape all over Jerry's body. To achieve a safe effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface, while coloring, leave a small line without color, or use a white pen or pencil over your colors. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.